Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to change the default unit of measurement in Maya. So go to this little running guy with the cog or settings wheel. Go to settings. By linear, change it from centimeter to foot. And then I'm also going to show you guys how to set up the grid to more properly read what you're doing on the grid. So grid options right here next to the little grid icon. And then your length and width and your color right here we're going to change. So the length and width, you can actually keep it 12, but the grid lines every 1 unit, subdivisions every 12 units. And then the color, you guys can do whatever colors you like, but this is the axis, so the yellow line that you see right here is going to be the axis. And then the grid lines and numbers are going to be the light gray lines. And then the subdivision lines, which are the lines inside the grid lines, so these subdivisions are the dark gray, are going to be the subdivisions here. So apply, and then voila, you've now created a 12-foot by 12-foot grid, and inside every light gray box there's 12 subdivisions representing 1 inch. So now when working in Maya, it's very simple. I know exactly how big everything is. If I want to make this cube 3 feet the other way, 3 feet long, I can make this thing exactly 3 feet. I can measure it too. I can go to create, measure tools, distance tool, click, click, and then the locator, I can click on it, hold down V to vert snap, and snap it to the corner of the box. And I can do the same for the other one. And then now I can see right here, let me turn off the grid, and then I can see right here, press F to focus on an object. I can see right here that this is indeed exactly 3 feet long, because I scaled it to 3. And yeah, so that's how you set up working units in Maya for using feet and not the default centimeters. So there you go.